Hi everyone! Welcome to my kitchen! Hindi po ako mag-share ng recipe. Andito po ako para mag-share ng isang ingredient that could possibly help you achieve your goals in life. So, by the way, ako po si Reina Liza and based na po ako dito sa Canada. I am a working mom and I love what I'm doing but naisip ko na ito na lang ba yung mangyayari sa buhay ko? Trabaho, bahay, trabaho. Back in 2016, my daughter went to daycare. She was just 10 months old at that time. So, imagine 10 months old because I have to go back to work from maternity leave. And doon ko na-experience yung challenge as being a working mom. Juggling yung work and then household chores, and then I have a toddler, I have a family to look after. For the past few years of working, na-realize ko na ganito na lang ba yung magiging buhay ko, right? Am I gonna be stuck working until my retiring age? But, I am very ambitious person. I have lots of dreams. Madami akong gustong pangarap na matupad. Naisipan kong magkaroon ng isang business. Pero sa simula, hindi ko alam kung ano yung business na yon na pwedeng mag-work sa akin kahit na busy ako. And so, I check online and this is what I have found. It's a online business that you can do it at your own pace. And, the ingredient that I want to share with you is the complimentary workshop. It's the complimentary workshop that I have watched several times before I decided to jump into this business. I did my due diligence, ginawa ko lahat ng research para makita ko kung ito ba yung mag-work sa akin. And right there and then, when I saw the potential, I started right away. And this business it's global. It doesn't matter kung nasaan kang lupalop ng mundo. You can be in US, Canada, Asia, in Europe, in the UK. It will work for most of parts of the world. And so, I would like to invite you to watch our free complimentary workshop. This is an overview of the business so that you will know how the business works. Naniniwala ako na lahat tayo may potential na makamit lahat yung pangarap natin, but you just have to take action. Somewhere in this video, there is a learn more button. You just have to register your name and email so that I'll be able to send you all the details. And also you can add me in Facebook so that you can get to know me or chat with me. That's it. Thank you so much. Watch our complimentary workshop and let me know if you have any questions. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.